Hey guys, I will be teaching us today how to create a group on our Facebook. You can see this is my Facebook page. This is my Facebook timeline. So when you open your Facebook, you first display like this. You will see home, you see profile, you see message, you see notification. Now you will just scroll down. When you scroll down on your Facebook, we click on groups. Now you will see other groups that you belong to. You see other group you've not joined. You just go here and click create new group. I will click it. Then I will be asked to group name. As a group name, I will be test running the Niger Delta marketplace. So I will type Niger Delta marketplace. Yeah, are we together? So now we will click go. We test whether somebody has used it or not. They say please provide a valid group name. That means that somebody has already used that. So we try another name again. Niger Delta advertisement. Or let's say Niger Delta advertisement. Niger Delta advertisement. Or Niger Delta, let's say Niger Delta market. Nigeria. Niger Delta market, Nigeria. Then we choose whether the privacy. Look at privacy, choose whether anyone can find the group, see who is in it, and what they say. So we now make it a public group because we want everybody to have a voice in the group. Then we now click on create. Please provide a valid group. That's also been used. So we see come back and choose another name. Let's put in capital letter. Let's see what will happen. I'll just give me the step-by-step procedure so that everybody will follow. So Niger Delta empowerment group. You see Niger Delta empowerment group. Then you see click create. Having challenge. You see create. Let's see what will happen. Wow, it's challenge. So we let's just use let's use the popular business that is giving people money already. Let's say Pay Your Bliss Nigeria. Pay Your Bliss Nigeria. We click create. Yeah, wow. So you see the display now. Pay Your Bliss Nigeria is now asking us to choose French suggestion to add people to the group, invite them. So you either search them here or you now invite them. Now we invite Honorable Dinkba. I invite Bira, I will invite Lebari, I will invite Wibani, I will invite Madiba, I will invite Bestman, I will invite Ikpe Batan, and I will see search more. I will see search more. I search. Yeah, I will see invite more. I will invite more. I will see search again. Barry. I will type Barry. I will search. I will invite them just to make the group busy. I will search again. I will say Johnson. I will search. I will invite them. I will see type another name again. I will type let's say this name. Let me say Tuka. I will send. I will invite them. That is how we end the invitation. Then invite selected. Let's see what will happen. Wow. You're still waiting. Sorry, as a network. 8 people were added to the group. We can see add more, but we will view the group now. You see, you say view group, view all members, that's about the group, discussion, info, moderate groups, add members. And then let's click under about group, just one person has accepted the invitation. You can see it here. one person. So it's telling me to install, but that is not the problem. We still go back. So we click on we click on info. See about the group here. You can edit notification, edit group setting, archive group. That's to remove the group, to hide it. Then you see add member. You see discussion. Under discussion, you can begin to post. So let's see, you can post, write what's on your mind. So I will just post my business link. I will send. Wow. So that is just that you've created your group. You've created your group. That is just that. Then you can add members here. You can add members, but let's check moderate group. Under moderate group, we add who will moderate group and who will not moderate it. Who will accept member, who will accept new member, who will delete member that are misbehaving. So we see on info. So you see these are some of the things. You can now edit group setting. Click on edit group setting. Wow, then you now talk about it. We describe the group now. We will now describe the group. Here you describe group. Under that you describe, you say this group is about supporting people to earn passive income from payables in Nigerian based online investment company. So you just describe the group there. So we will save. There's a call coming in, so we save. We save now. Network. So that's just that. You can see it's a public group. You can see here Playables Nigeria. You can add member. Now you can add members as many as possible. So we end the discussion there. So that is just that about creating your own group. Creating a group, you can now edit notification. Let's check what's under edit notification. Highlight all posts. Let's just highlight. You may push notifications on, so you highlight is on. You put highlight all posts. You click all posts, then save it, because we want everything to be shown to our members. We are not hiding anything. So that is just that. If you want to leave the group, leave the group, unfollow group. That is just that. If you want to add photos, you click here add photos. So let me add one photos, proof of payment from there is no photo in this group. So you see there is no photo there. So we click home now. That is that for creating your group. So I think we achieve something. That is that for creating a group. Then if you want to see the group you created, you click on group. Waiting for network. Wow. You click on group. What was the name of the group? Playables. So you see or so go down. You can see it here. Payables. You click it. Payables. Wow. Then you can see post right. People are already joining. People are already commenting. So these are just that is just that for creating group. Thank you.